No fewer than 500 residents of Loko, one of the top agrarian areas of Song, local government area of ADAMAWA state, have been rendered homeless. This was as a result of heavy rainfall on Sunday, which lasted for about 10 hours. Salis Lawan reports that the heavy downpour washed away farm inputs worth millions of naira. Here's that report.
It was a tale of one loss after another, as residents of the area helplessly watched the heavy rains washed away their sources of livelihood.
It's actually the will of God, but the flood have seriously affected us. Most of our belongings have been washed away. Indeed, we the people of Loko have suffered losses.
Of course, no life was lost, but we lost farm input worth millions of naira as the result of the heavy rains.
Seriously, the heavy downpour have wreaked havoc on us, especially with the farmers, as we lost many of our valuable things, especially foodstuff, alongside documents. We actually need government support. Apart from rendering hundreds of residents homeless, the flood also wreaked havoc in Kaswambohu, area of the agrarian community of Loko. Chairman of the market, Ibrahim Aliyu, said they lost over 800 bags of grains to the flood.
We are calling on the government to help us provide drainages to the waterways in Loko, because sincerely, lack of the drainages has been a major cause of the flooding. We are appealing and calling on government to please come to our aid.
Some local government chairman Gidado Abdul Salam visited the areas affected and commiserated with the victims. He promised timely intervention to the victims to caution the hardship occasioned by the flooding.
I sympathize with them. However, as the local authorities, we will assist them with the necessary palliative to cushion their hardship.
Last year, Loko settlement area was among the most hit areas by flooding, according to the National Emergency Management Agency. From Yola, Salis Lawan, Trust TV News.